Critical issues with Bisi Adewale.
Please help me, sir. My wife usually packs our foodstuff for our family members. Anytime we buy foodstuff, she will just pack many of them and put them inside different nylons and send them to our siblings. How can I address this issue without having problem with my in-laws so that they will not think I hate them?
Critical issues with Bisi Adewale.
Hey, the question before me today is about a wife that usually pack foodstuff for our family, sending it to them in I want to encourage you to get this Super Married Bundle. The Super Married Bundle is a set of uncommon books that will transform, reform, and make your marriage better than you ever dream of. So how do you supposed to do it? Go straight to familiarbooks.com to download the e-copy. Call the number on your screen straight away so that you can order for your book and we send it to you wherever you are. In Nigeria, if you're outside Nigeria, go to familiarbooks.com to get your bundle. Thank you for joining me in this video. I know that the Lord God has blessed you today. Always remember that people will have critical issues, but God has supernatural solutions.
Now, you can make your marriage sweeter, stronger, better, tantalizing and more romantic by joining our 31 Days Marriage Makeover Bootcamp, where you're going to watch 34 uncommon videos on intimacy, finance, sex, romance and lots more that will turn your marriage around forever. Quickly go to familiarcourses.com and start the journey of fruitful, blissful and successful marriage now. You get it at 75% discount if you get the course today.